Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, yesterday I went to the dentist and while my mouth was still numb, I was starving, so I went ahead and ate anyways. I ended up biting my lip really hard, and yesterday, it took over my whole mouth. Like, it was so bad. So today the swelling has gone down a little bit, but it's still pretty swollen. I decided to go ahead and make a video anyways because I got my hair done 2 days ago and I have not yet been able to show it off, so that's what I'm doing today. So just ignore that. It is making it a little difficult to talk, but it's okay. Today I did go ahead and use the Nikita palette for this look. I did want to do something that would kind of complement my hair. I also used this little sparkling eye topper from Profusing Cosmetics. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into this video, so if you would like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. I do keep biting my lip a little bit while I'm talking, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get out of here. Hopefully by Friday's video, the swelling has gone down a lot because this is driving me crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.